Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Pre-Migration Advisor Tool video series. In part 1, we will have an overview of CPAT. Let's begin with understanding CPAT a bit better. CPAT is a migration assistant which basically can tell whether your source database is compatible for migrating to a specific target database using a chosen migration method. It identifies the potential incompatibilities and also suggests the actions that we need to take for a successful migration. We can execute CPAT as an independent tool or using SQL command line or SQL CL. It treats the source and target database as read-only. That means no changes made to the source and target databases. Also, CPAT is not an actual migration tool. It's only used for migration analysis. Okay, one of the common query that you might ask is, why do we need CPAT? Let's assume a scenario where you want to move your Oracle database to autonomous database, and you know that there are some restrictions on the autonomous database. How do you ensure that you can move your database to autonomous database without losing any data and any existing functionality? One of the ways to manually check the database and understand any potential incompatibility. This of course needs some time depending on your database. This is when CPAT comes handy. It can do this analysis in no time. It also provides us the action plan or guidance to mitigate the issues for a successful migration. Also, you can use these reports as input to other tools like Cloud Migration Advisor. I'll talk about CMA in some time. CPAT needs Java 7 or later, and it looks for the JRE or Java runtime environment by checking the Java_home and Oracle_home variables. If your source database is later than Oracle 12c release 1, then a version of Java that can run CPAT is available in Oracle Home. CPAT also needs a database user who has select in a dictionary privilege. In few scenarios, CPAT may need additional select privilege, which is clearly documented. CPAT also needs a location where it can store the output. You can also set the desired UMask to restrict the access to CPAT scripts. Let's have a look at the installation of CPAT. We need to download the latest CPAT from Oracle support portal using the patch number given on the slide. Ensure that required JRE environment is already available. We can just extract the CPAT from the downloaded patch and use it. We can also use CPAT using SQL command line, and in that case, there is no need to download CPAT separately. Okay, so we are ready to use CPAT now. Let us look at the overall workflow. First step is to identify the type of target cloud database to which we will migrate our database. Next step is to provision the target cloud database as per our requirement. We can now generate a target database properties file using CPAT as shown in step 3. In step 4, we will use the target properties file generated in earlier step when running CPAT against the source database. Last step is to review the output and take necessary action. This is the ideal workflow. However, sometimes the target database can't be provisioned in advance due to multiple reasons. In those cases, step 2 and 3 can be skipped, and we can simply generate CPAT against source database without target properties file. Please note, you can always rerun CPAT with target properties file once you have the target provisioned. Okay, that's all about CPAT to get started. In part 2, we will see a demo of CPAT. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.